demonstrating, sis. Ah! See what it looks like. I ordered these shorts. They looked really good. See, they assume it is a vibrator. It's a massage gun. This one, make I beg if I don't rock am. If you have a sensitive skin like mine, but let me just collect me.
Numbers, but they don't give out fake names.
This one looks like you.
Oh, yeah? Nice to meet you.
This one. Came for the Christmas. But then it still looks like you. Look at it now, everybody. Look at the face.
Who heard it from some guy?
Some guy. Some guy.
No, she told me that his name was Ken Adams.
Ken Adams.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to a beautiful day that the Lord has made. My name is Precious SK. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my Vlogmas series. Today is day what? Day what? I actually can't remember the day. But yeah, I think today should be day 18. Today should be day 18. Today is Monday. Welcome to a new week. It's always a delight to be on this channel. Come back to you guys every day. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do the good stuff. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Tell your friends to get me to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000 and begin to make that money so I can finally meet all my dreams in life. But yeah, please subscribe, drop a comment, like the video, share it, do all the good stuff. All right, enough of shenanigans. Yesterday was Friendsgiving Day, and it was a beautiful experience. That was Sunday. Sunday evening was a beautiful experience. I'm so grateful to God that all our friends we had like good things to say about the year, no matter how tough it was for all of us, to be honest. But to sit down together in a round table and still find things to be grateful for is something that is underrated, and I just give all thanks to God. There was a lot to eat. Personally, I would not give Marriott a 90 over 100 with their food and stuff, but I would give them, their bread was good. Their bread was so good. I wanted to eat everything from the shelf. It was that good. The desserts were good. The meals themselves, they were just okay. There was no wow effect with the meals, so it was okay. I wouldn't give them a 90 over 100. It was just okay. But the experience entirely was fine. The ambience was, even though it was noisy, like we're in Dubai Market or like we were in Oshodi or Yaba, it was so noisy. Everybody, like the whole place was noisy. There was no music playing on the background. My friends and I were even saying that if there was music playing on the background, people would have just adjusted to a serene environment. But there was no music playing on the background. It was just noisy. Everybody was talking at the top of their voices. We that came there to even, be able to also still talk calmly about our own testimonies for the year 2023, we couldn't. We had to ask them that wanted to go out of the building to sit down, even though there was still music where we went to, but it was better than being inside. And then we had a good time there. We shared our testimonies, gisted a lot, laughed a lot, planned to go out again very soon. And yeah, to be honest, today has been pretty slow for me. The weekend was very busy. The weekend, there was just a lot to do from Saturday, Sunday. In fact, I even tweeted on my threads that I even typed on my threads that if I'm able to post videos on Saturday and Sunday, then I am unstoppable. And for real, I posted those 2 days and you can't tell me nothing. Especially with yesterday, it was crazy. Yesterday, I was just everywhere and I made sure a video still came out. Today again is looking like it's going to be a very difficult day, but if I can nail yesterday, there is nothing I cannot do. I am what? Unstoppable. By the special grace of God anyway. I've not done, maybe, I don't know whether I would say what I've done is much. I've just done the chores, clear the kitchen, clear the living room, taking out the dirt, and ate breakfast. After breakfast, I went to go and sleep. To be very honest, I went to go and sleep. I was going to sleep, and at some point, I forgot the camera was recording. I slept off, woke up, went to take my bath, dressed up, and then I'm here talking to you guys. Time is currently almost 4 o'clock now, and I had like videos that I wanted to work on today, but I couldn't really do anything because, to be honest, I was just tired. We didn't even go for tennis this morning. We're planning to go for evening. That's if my husband comes back on time, but I am not sure about that. Anyway, too much talking. Let me show you guys. We bought some things from the pop-up market I showed you yesterday in yesterday's vlog, and so let me just do like a little bit of unboxing, unwrapping. And we also bought something today as well that I will show you. First on the list, let me go and bring out the piece my husband and I were wearing yesterday. On Sunday, yes, on Sunday. Was part of the things that we brought that I wanted to unwrap for you guys, but then we had to wear it to the Friendsgiving, so I couldn't do the unboxing beforehand. But let me show you guys regardless. I'm sure you have seen it. They looked really good. Let me show you guys. The truth about this thing is that nobody has a specific one. I'm going to definitely wear my husband's own again because he's one size fits all, and my husband is going to wear my own again. So let's see what it looks like. I really love this Ashoke business going on. This Ashoke and the dropping stuff. It was really good. We bought it at the pop-up. They were not expensive at all. This is my husband's own. Looks so good on him. I'm sure you saw it yesterday, but this is mine. In case you didn't watch my vlog of Sunday, Vlogmas day 16, You should go and watch it. You will see us rocking these pieces, and they were so good. You will also see where we got them from. We got them from a roundabout, from Ogudu roundabout. Like if you're driving towards the bridge, as if you're going to Alakbere, right? There's a pop-up there that's been going on for the past, I can't remember how many days now, but I've been passing there every day. And yesterday I had to drop off because I wanted to buy more bubbles, but that's where we got these two things from. Also, this one is a bubble. If you know those bubble that has like frills on it, let me show you guys where you have like less light. So maybe, oh my god, guys, you can't believe it. Like my tripod, the second one that I'm managing just broke. If you see this thing, it's supposed to be here to hold the phone together. This is the second tripod breaking since I started content creation. You see how the other one got me now, so how am I supposed to feel about this now? All right, we'll find a way. Ah! You know how frustrating it is to be having a wonderful day and then your tripod goes bad? Your favorite tripod, this one that I've been using all the time, this one I'm always carrying everywhere, the easiest one to just fold and use. Oh my god, why is my phone now going off? How am I filming and my phone screen and my phone light is going off? Anyway, today I'm going to do this. Anyway, this is the shorts of so what I ordered. Why is it going? I ordered these shorts. So it's a shorts and it's a two-piece. I ordered the shorts and a crop top. When I wear them, you guys are going to see it, but I'm just wrapping it for the vlog. You guys will always get to see the first things first. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's a crop top with the shorts. It's very pretty. I love it so much. I love the color. But when I wear it, you guys will see it. This was what I was trying to show you guys earlier. So this one has like frills all over. Why is it falling? This one has like frills all over. This is what it looks like. Let me just take it back. Like this. And then like this. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's so good. It's so fine. And it fits me. Guys, something that we also got. I'm really having a very, very wonderful day. Anyway. I got this massage gun. My husband purchased it actually. This is what it looks like. So this is it. It's a massage gun. Let me open it for you guys to see. Yeah. It has the manual, the massage gun manual. It has like different head in these places. Has the massage button itself. Has the different heads that you can use for different purposes. This is what the massage head looks like. And this is the gun itself. This is the gun. If you've seen it, you know a lot of people think when they first see it, they assume it is a vibrator, and I would not really blame them. So this is what it looks like. You just turn it on from the buttons, one of these buttons, and then you can now use it to massage everywhere that needs to be massaged. It's very nice. It's very helpful for us that goes to do sports all the time. And yeah, it's nice. It's a massage gun. And yeah, so guys, I will talk to you guys later. The day is trying to get on my nerves, so I will just go to the living room now to watch a movie, relax, and then I will talk to you guys later. Currently, I don't know what my phone screen light is going off while I'm filming. My tripod is broken. His day couldn't get any better. My bum doesn't need massage now. Oh, Jehovah. Ah! This is the massage. Oh, it's the massage. See the way my voice is now sounding like you're massaging my diaphragm. This is the massage. This is the massage. This is the massage.
This is massage.
This is massage gone. I was telling you guys about it. It actually feels very good to the body. Very good to the skin. Very good to the body. I like it actually. Ah, my masseuse. Masser. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, my friend launched these products. My friend just launched a product. My friend just launched a collection. I don't know what I would call it, Christmas collection or something. But yeah, she's launching it before Christmas, so it's safe to say that it's a Christmas collection. And immediately launched, I've been waiting for it. Like I have been waiting for it. She knows because I'm a regular customer, so she already knows that once she's bringing fine things like this, my eyes will be on them. She just launched it today, Monday, and I was like, I'm not gonna miss something. I must buy something from it. When I went there, I wanted a piece of everything she was selling. The anklets, earrings, bracelet, necklaces, rings. I wanted everything. She says she sells like those non-tarnish jewelries, gold-plated non-tarnish jewelries. I don't know the terminologies for describing them, but the main thing is that there are those kind of earrings that last a lot. If you have a sensitive skin like mine, that your neck reacts to like jewelries, your ears react to jewelries, and she'll give you the right product for your skin. Our products are, all of them are actually very perfect for my skin. Let me not even like, oh, sure. Once you start shopping from her as a jewelry person, she becomes your mother in jewelry land. That's what she is to me, so duh. But I bought a couple of things from her in the past. Let me show you what I bought from her in the past before we unbox this one. I got these ones from her. I hope that it would, yeah, I got this ones from her. I got this ones from her, Sha. But I bought a couple from her, which I can't remember, they're all like in my jewelry. I need a jewelry box, by the way, because I feel like my jewelries, they are all scattered in one place. It's all messy. To find things, I have to like dig, which is just stressing me out. But let's do a live unboxing of the product. I just removed the ribbon. It had like a red, beautiful ribbon. Came in like a Christmas gift, and I love that. Oh my god, and I love that. So let's just unbox what's inside. We have a card. The card says, oh, it's a Merry Christmas card. I love Merry Christmas cards. It's cute. It says, this holiday season, may you and your family experience light and laughter. Best regards, Shop Viva. Amen. Thank you, Shop Viva. This is very nice. This is very thoughtful. It's a full unboxing. What do you say? I like that. This is Vaseline. This thing blows that I'll just break it here. This is Vaseline. Lip balm. And you know, funny enough, in one of my things that I posted, one of the Vlogmas I posted, I spoke about how I did not apply lip gloss to my lips. And I know that she's always watching my channel, so that's one of the reasons why he sent me this. Dalu, thank you, Chineke. But thank you. I say rubbish all the time, but thank you. This lip balm is going to do the purpose. My husband didn't have the one that was colored. The lip balm I have that he has been using is kind of colored. So this one, I'm sure you will like it. Ooh, we got the glasses. Hey, 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 hey. Give me, hey, 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 hey. No, come on. What do you say? See, I feel like opening all of these things just really brightened my mood. Apart from the fact that my husband came back, because he went out before and came back, just seeing his face always brightened my mood. But aside from that, all of these things I'm opening, they really popped up my day. Oh! And you know why I'm very excited about these glasses is that I'm coming to an era of myself where I want to do stuff that I have never done before, like be bold about the kind of the way I look, the kind of clothes I wear, the kind of people I just choose to be friends with, the kind of lifestyle I want to have in general. I want to have a confident lifestyle. And I remember when I was growing up, for the longest time, I never used to wear glasses, especially shades like this, dark glasses. I always just used to be very, very, very shy because I feel like people would stare at me. So I have never bought this kind of glasses ever in my life. The most closest glasses I've worn is my medicated glasses, which I wear almost all the time. But this one, make I bend if I don't rock out. Eh? Eh? But really, thank you, Shop Viva, for giving me my first sunshade. She even gave me I think this was before I got my medicated glasses or after that she gave me this one. She gave me this one maybe 2 years ago, and I rocked it. I'm not going to lie, I rocked it well. I really liked it. I rocked it to a lot of places. So she gives the best things, man. Her products are nice. So when you order them, it comes in like it's a gift. Nah, this is nice, all right? Let me just stop right now. But this is really good. I love it. I love it. I'm going to rock it. Even with this, my black dress is giving Sisi Eko. If I wear this one and go and shake my bum for my husband like this, people will come for naming ceremony. But it's really fine. This is the one that she got for me like 2 years ago. It's really nice. I like it. Let's open. Someone has the cloth to clean. You know what? I'm going to use my glasses to unbox the rest. This glass. All of a sudden, I want to go for this in December with money that I don't have. See, the price of Uber these days, I feel like that's one of the reasons why a lot of people are inside. It's just better to be inside these days because coming out does not make any sense. Oh, my trees look so good. Hey, Una, I like Terminator. Hey, I get the Hey. Yes, been sick. Sorry, my baby.
I'm not that sick.
I know, but you have the flu. Let me hug you. I don't come close to me so that you don't give me the flu. But let me just collect more.
God is dead guy.
But yeah. My things are so pretty. This is the necklace that I got. Okay, so so this is the earring that I got from my friend. I love it. Oh, I found another free earring I'm going to be obsessed with. Like I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear the life out of this earring. This is the glasses she gave to me. Oh baby, and this is the necklace that it is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. Oh. Inject it in my vein. Look at Precious. Looks good. So sexy. So hot. I'm going to go now. I have to edit my work. I have to edit my video for my vlog going up today. I've not started. And then I have a lot of things to do. But yeah, I look so good. Yeah, I love it. Bye guys.